Based upon the research and the testing done by major YouTube influencers, in designing your thumbnail, you want it to be colorful with no more than 3 elements, which may include text, a face, and another object. If there is more than that, it may appear too busy to the eye, which translates too busy for the brain, which results in scrolling past your thumbnail. You need to catch the attention of your viewer within 1.5 seconds, and simplicity does that. Now your text needs to create curiosity. Let me show you an example. This thumbnail is limited to only a specific audience. It's dull and does not create curiosity at all. This thumbnail is colorful, and its text creates curiosity to where the result is clicking on your thumbnail to answer the question you created in their mind. Another factor that helps is listing a number in your title. This is also something that has been tested by top content creators. An example of this is the top 5 things that bring you more followers, or the 3 steps to more subscriptions. Also, whatever is implied in your thumbnail along with the title of your video should be mentioned within the first 10 seconds of your video. For example, if this were my thumbnail and my title was the 3 best techniques to getting more subscribers, I would start my video by saying exactly this. I'm going to explain the 3 best ways to get more subscribers. But first, let's talk about why you want more subscribers. That is where you explain how new subscribers and comments shows YouTube that people are interested in your content, which signals to YouTube to push your content. When you say, but first, you redirect the information for a few moments, keeping them on the hook. The hook in this case is the answer to what the 3 best ways are to get subscribers. And for me to actually answer that question or hook, it's to have an eye-catching thumbnail, a strong hook, and a good story or content that people are interested in. Your story or content can be a personal example of something that you or someone experienced in relation to your content. And lastly, it also helps to test your thumbnails. The thumbnail used for this video is currently being tested. I designed these 3 thumbnails for this video, and I will test each of them for a few weeks. You can check back to see which one did better. And for those of you still watching, I'm putting together an ebook that contains all of this information and much more that I will be giving away to 20 random people who comment the words, "Help me become a great content creator." Also, if you enjoy this content and you feel it's beneficial, please subscribe for the obvious reasons, as well as not missing the following videos that will be just as important as this one. Thank you again.